Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Nordstrom Elementary School in Morgan Hill, California, part of the Morgan Hill Unified School District and home of the Mountain Lions. But such an honor to be back here to share my heart again. Had 2 assemblies for all the grades K through 5 and an amazing morning. They really did respond to the message today, which was about diversity, all of our differences on the outside and the inside, how we have to respect everyone no matter what, right? But also the need for human kindness. And it's such an honor to be back here again because this was one of my first schools in California. And so to come back and revisit, year after year, it's been a couple of years since I was here last time, but some of the students still remembered from when I visited when they were a little bit younger, and quite a bit of the staff too. And just the feedback, was just incredible. A lot of students that said, hey, what you shared today really touched my heart. And that's always, the hope, right? That something's going to strike a heart chord to, hopefully inspire them to go out and be that change and to start showing more kindness, because this world needs more kindness. And we talk about how one act of kindness, right, can change everything. And, for us to really kind of boil this down to what we need to do, it's to show unconditional love. And that's love without any conditions, right? If someone's taller, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color, if they wear glasses or not, if they're in a wheelchair or not, disabled or not, we can still choose love. And to know that we can always accept others, include others, show that empathy, show that compassion, that's a huge life lesson to already get at a very young age. And a couple students came up to me and said, hey, Mr. Peace, my neighbor has a dog and it only has one eye, but this dog, is still very happy, but it also treats others the way that it wants to be treated. And also other dogs treat it with kindness too, like it, has both eyes. So it's like we look past, some of the things that we might have judgments for in the beginning, but if we can get past that and see this person as a human being for their heart first too, then all of a sudden, we might make an amazing friend. Sometimes our closed minds, they shield us from meeting new people. But to know that, either just because someone's born different or has something in their life that makes them different and happened to them, we can still, always see them for their worth and for their value. And that ties into this concept, which I bring up in every assembly, the M on all of our palms. I trace one of mine here, but we have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for miracle, just like the front of my shirt. Upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this, right? Because so many students I speak to and adults, they sometimes forget this or have never been told this, and they need a reminder. And we can be that light to their heart if we choose to. One girl came up to me today and she said, Mr. Peace, we have to show kindness to everyone, even if they're not kind to us. And I said, yeah, and that's not easy to do, right? We want to always treat others that we want to be treated, of course, the golden rule concept. But really, this means that, yes, someone might be hurting. Maybe that's why they're treating us badly. But if we can look past that and start to, see them for, who they truly are, and understand that, it's just maybe not something about us. Maybe they're going through something, so don't take it personal, right? But maybe our love can start to change their heart in a positive way too. So through a series of heartfelt stories today, some powerful videos, a couple anecdotes where I had some physical props, and obviously always have the motivational music that I do, a couple hand motion raps, and one of the other rap songs that I do as well with the beat. They really did understand, that yes, diversity is everywhere and at this school too, but it's also what makes this world beautiful. That if we're all the same, it'd be boring, right? But the fact that we're different, we can embrace those differences and start to learn and grow from each other, which is also part of our true education. So thank you so much for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.